Hey everyone, it's Miss Emily. I'm here today to give you a little mini lesson on using the next dollar up. So to do that today, we're going to use a little pretend McDonald's menu here that I have printed out. So we have some items you might find at McDonald's and the prices listed there. So we're going to start just by finding the price of one item. So we're going to use the Big Mac. So I'm going to locate the Big Mac on my menu here. And I can see that the Big Mac is cost $3.69. So if I wanted to purchase this Big Mac, an easy way to do that would be to figure out the next dollar up. That would assure that I had enough money to pay for the item that I wanted to buy. So the first part is to identify the price, which is $3.69. The most important part of using the next dollar up is to be able to identify the dollar amount. And so we know the dollar amount is going to be the number to the left of the decimal point. So I'm going to find the dollar amount here, and I can see that is 3. And now I want to take that dollar amount and add one more dollar so I can make sure I have enough for the change. So 3 plus one more dollar. And I know 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I would need to count out $4 to make the purchase of this Big Mac. That would assure I had enough money for the dollar amount and the change. So I would take my money and I would count out 1, 2, 3, 4. Would have $4 would be enough money to cover the cost of a Big Mac. Okay, we're going to do one more together. This time we're going to find the price of a large fry. I'm going to find the large fry on my menu here. And I can see a large fry is listed for $2.29. $2, write that a little bit darker, $2.29. You can remember from the first example, the most important part is to find that dollar amount. And I know that's to the left of the decimal is the dollar amount. And I can see that amount is 2. And now we want to go up one more dollar. So if you were to look at a number line, this is just another way of looking at it. You would be able to find the dollar amount on a number line, which is here, 2. And then you're going to go up one more dollar or add one more dollar to make sure you have enough for the change. So I know 2 plus 1 is 3. So I would need $3 to pay for a large fry. That would assure that I had enough money to pay for the dollar amount and the change. Okay, then I would need to count out 1, 2, 3. $3 to purchase the large fry. All right, we're going to do a little bonus question here to see if we can find what if we wanted to buy 2 items. Okay, so for example, we might like to buy a crispy chicken sandwich and a sundae. That sounds really good. So first, what I'm going to do is have to add those prices together. So I'm going to find the price of the crispy chicken sandwich, which is $4.19. $4.19. The next item I want to buy is the sundae, so I'm going to locate that, and I can see that's $1.19. Really important when you're adding money to make sure that you line up the dollar amount, the decimal, and the change when you're adding. So I'm going to be really careful to line that up really carefully. $1.19. So you can see in my addition problem here, I lined them up so that the decimals are in line with each other, the change is in line with each other, and the dollar amount is in line with each other. Also, don't forget to make your label of the dollar amount. So, as always, when we're adding numbers, we're going to start on the right-hand side. And I know 9 plus 9 is 18. The 8 down here, bring the tens up to the tens column, 1. And now I can count 1, 2, 3. And then I have to bring my decimal point down. And now I can add the dollar amounts. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Don't forget to bring your dollar sign down. So now I know for the price of 2 items, the crispy chicken sandwich and the sundae would cost $5.38. Now I have to find the dollar up to know how much money I need to hand the cashier to buy those items. So again, I'm going to look at the dollar amount to the left of the decimal, which is 5. I'm going to take that number, 5, and I'm going to add one more, or go up one more dollar. 5 plus 1 equals 6. I would need to count out $6 to pay for those 2 items. I would make sure you have enough for the dollar amount, 5, and add one more dollar to cover the change. So you could pay for that with singles, or you could pay for it with a 5 and a single. That would be 6. $6 would be enough money to cover those items. All right, I hope you enjoyed the mini lesson on using the next dollar up. See you guys later.